crispy. Crispy.
No, restart.
Hello guys, we're going to have another kind of oatmeal cookie today, but today is going to be an icebox cookie. That means we have to put it inside of a mold or a wrap or little tube, and then we're going to have to refrigerate it overnight, and then we take it out and cut it into portions. Okay, we're going to start out with 2 sticks of butter. 1 cup brown sugar. And 1 cup white sugar. These cookies are a little bit different than the ones we made last time. These have no fruit in them at all. And they're going to be nice, thin, and crispy. Vanilla. Eggs 1 at a time. Salt, baking soda, cinnamon and nutmeg. Or if you don't like cinnamon and nutmeg, this is a great cookie with ginger. Now, half the flour. And the other half of the flour. Have to really make sure you get down to the bottom. This is a little bit of a heavy dough, and it won't pick up everything from the bottom. So you got to make sure you get down to the bottom and turn it over to the top. Now, in with the oats. Okay, just make sure with this cookie you do not use instant oats. You can use quick oats, you can use rolled oats, but don't use instant oats. Okay guys, now we're going to take the dough and we're going to put it into 2 equal portions. Okay, we're going to spread it out over the paper. I suggest to use gloves. Okay, and remove the gloves. Gonna roll them up. We're gonna stick them in the refrigerator. These are thinner, crunchy, crispy oatmeal cookies. Chewy. Chewy. Hey guys, welcome to my kitchen. Today we're going to make oatmeal cookies, but they're not like the oatmeal cookies that you're used to. When you make oatmeal cookies in a traditional recipe, you have good amount of dough to hold the cookie together. So you have more dough than oatmeal. This cookie is going to have more oatmeal than cookie dough. Okay, now we're going to start with the butter, just like most of all the other recipes. But the thing is, this is not just butter. It's butter with a little bit of oil. Cream it up. Matt, can you hand me the brown sugar? Now we're going to put in the brown sugar. Matt, can I have the egg? Throw it in there. And now for the egg. We want to make sure everything gets nice and smooth. So we're going to scrape the sides, top to bottom, bottom to top. Okay, now we're going to put in the honey. Matt, the honey, please.
Scrape all the honey out of the measuring cup.
Oh, the water, please, Matt. And put it on in. Salt, baking soda. Matt, can you put in the flour, Matt? Okay, now we're going to mix in the flour. And now for the oats. Matt, put in the large cup of oats. Okay, now we're going to mix a little bit. And Matt, now the small cup of oats. And now for the yummies. Let's have the raisins. And the chocolate chips. Mini chocolate chips work well in this recipe. Okay, mix it up, nice and smooth. Little bit wet. Additional cookie mix, it doesn't look like. It's a little bit wet, but you'll see the oats will absorb that water a little bit. And it'll cook up nicely.
cakey, cakey.
Okay, now we're gonna make a different type of oatmeal cookie. This oatmeal cookie is gonna be like a German oatmeal cookie. Soft, big, chewy, nice. Let's see. 1 stick of butter. Right there. 1 stick of butter. Whipped up with sugar. One egg. One more egg. This is going to be like grandma's oatmeal cookies. We soaked our raisins in boiling water, and then we drained our raisins, and now we have some raisin water. 1/3 cup is in a double recipe, so it's half of a 1/3 cup. Make sure you scrape it up. Make sure that water was back to room temperature before you put it in. Over here we have salt, baking soda, cinnamon, and allspice. And a touch of cloves. First goes the flour. Then the oats. Now, the raisins, the figs, the chocolate chips, and your choice, walnut, pecans, or cashews. Today I'm using cashews. Mix it up. Mix it up just till it's together. You see? Make sure bottom to top, top to bottom, everything is mixed up thoroughly. Should be a little on the wet side. That are going to be nice, big, fat, and chewy. These are like the ultimate cookie jar cookies, but they don't last too long in the cookie jar.